Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a 4th of July star hairstyle. You're going to start making the shape of the star. So you're going to start making one corner, and then you're going to make a triangle, and then grab the hair and smooth everything away. Now you're going to start making the next triangle, and you want to make sure the lines are straight, and again you're going to grab that hair and twist it together so you can see the triangles. Another triangle. Again, make sure you grab that hair to keep it together with the others, and then you're going to use a clip and pull that other area of hair away so you can see the triangle shapes. Now we're going to do our other triangle. Move that hair out of the way so it doesn't interfere with the triangle. And again, make sure you grab that hair and add it to the others. And then our last triangle. And then just go around and sharpen up those triangle shapes. And then you're going to tie it off with an elastic. Next, you're going to braid this section. You can leave it if you want, but I'm going to braid it. I'm going to use some Monet taffy clay to help keep the braids together. And I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid all the way down and tie it off with an elastic. Now we're going to pull all the hair to the other side, that way you are able to see the star better. So I'm just smoothing out the hair in the front and pulling it to the side, and then I'm going to grab some hair from the back where that one of the triangle points are, and grab that hair and add it to that side section, and then just tie it off with an elastic. And here is the finished look. It's very simple and it's great for 4th of July, Labor Day, and Memorial Day. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.